What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in the garage, and today it's just a quick update and tell you what's going on and why haven't I been posting a lot of videos lately. I know I haven't been here for quite a while, and actually I don't even know what to tell you, but I do have a little bit of content coming up. Hopefully it won't be as sporadical as it has been. Hopefully I can make the turnaround a little bit faster, have the time for this, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So currently I also haven't been riding or doing much of exercise in quite a bit of time. I haven't been riding my bikes, and before I do that, since the season is coming up and it's actually really hot outside right now, it's like 89 90 degrees right now, and it's only February over here in Texas, in the Houston area, and I got all my bikes over here hanging up, and a lot of them need a lot of maintenance, so I gotta start doing that before I actually start riding, and those are gonna be the videos that are gonna be coming up. So let me show you what is a little bit of what's gonna be happening. So for starters, over here, my Mount Bromo over here, I know I changed the cage, a part of the cage on the chain on the derailleur a while back. However, it was not the proper one. I got another one, and I got that thing like 7 months ago, and I haven't even put that thing in there, so I gotta put that on. I gotta change the put the chain back in there, because I don't have a chain in it yet, and I haven't been riding this thing in a long time. Now my Marley, I know this thing has not seen the trail ever, and I have had this built for like 2 years, haven't done a review video or anything like that, so hopefully that's going on. And I got my Poseidon over here. I started deleting the Poseidon decals over here on one side, but then my wheel run out and I still have them on the other side, so I gotta take that removed. And these tires, they just keep going flat because I don't use them. I never use this bike as much, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put tubes in it, and I already have the tubes. I had it for like 3 or 4 months already, and they're just sitting there. And this is the one that my son uses. This one doesn't need anything right now. It's converted to a 27.5 with 2.6 tires. I think I did a video about this one a while back, and you already seen that one. This one is being used just a little bit. Then this is the Axum X Comp that I did an unboxing a long time ago. It's my brother's. It doesn't even have the pedals on, so that means I don't have a review for this one, and maybe that's coming because I gotta give that to my brother. Then over here I have my Shimano build frame. Again, this one does hold air for quite a bit of time. I think I did put in a tube on the rear a while back, so that's gonna stay like that. I don't want to mess. I haven't been riding as much, so just to do that. So this one is just to clean up and greasing up the chain, and that should be good to go. And this one, I have a different scenario. My Polygon 6QTA, I took it to the trail. This one is tubeless, front and rear, but the rear loses air for like every 3 days. And to tell you the truth, I don't use them quite as much. I'm just gonna go ahead and maybe put an inner tube, clean it up, do a little bit of maintenance on all of these things, and get back at it. So with that said, please stay tuned for a few more videos coming up. Hopefully soon. I got a video coming about headlights on my car, because that was a collaboration, and I got another video coming up on a collaboration. But then after that, I'm gonna be starting doing these videos on my bike, so stay tuned for my bike videos. Other than that, thank you for staying here. I think I'm at 6,000 subscribers. Thank you all of you guys for being here. Even though I haven't been posting, I know I get a lot of love and everything in there. And one of the reasons that I haven't been posting a lot of videos is because I actually got a new job. No longer a teacher. My last day as a teacher was the last day of school for December. So I left one semester and I started an engineering job in January. So that's a really good opportunity I couldn't pass. But yeah, that keeps me a little bit busy. I'm gonna be traveling sometime. So it's not an excuse, because I haven't been posted before that. And that's because of something else that happened in my life a couple of years ago. So, but other than that, I mean, everything's going well. I'm doing good. I'm happy. I want to get started riding my bikes again. It's the season, and I got quite a bit of maintenance to do. So hopefully I can just make a quick video on those, keep you updated, and hopefully more videos to come. Other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Stay tuned. I will be posting more content, and I guess I will see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.